Take 3. I'm have to retaking this because I'm on a Percocet for my tooth. So I'll be a little. I did a experiment recently on MySpace groups. I did a amazing atheist type response. I used a couple facts from misquoting Jesus. I used the 1 John. Okay, 1 John 5:7 showed how that wasn't real, or that was put in there later, and how we know. And I used it to, and I used extremely offensive type of post to see how people would react. I was hoping my hypothesis was that people would go and look at it more, would go look it up, go see, try to defeat my point, so they can feel like they're raw, or this asshole went down because of me. But instead, they really did nothing. They were spouting stupid crap that any idiot could defend against. A lot of comments were really good. I liked them. So, they were supporting me. Some I liked because they were against me, but they were really well thought out. Actually, not really. There were only a couple of those. Most of them were pseudo-intellectual bullshit. As Cobain said, they're skateboard atheists. You go on their profile, they're, no job. They live with mommy and daddy, and they do absolutely nothing. They don't read, they don't fucking study shit. They just are kind of there to do drugs, drink, and do all the shit. So, with all the studying I've done with religion, science, all that crap, I want to, after my experiment, after my experiment was all set up, I want to see how far I can get with these guys. It's actually gotten pretty, what's the word, promising. Wow, I'm an idiot, but it's actually been pretty promising lately. I've been owning a couple people, and a couple people have been learning something from me. I at least hope. But one guy, he really scared me. A couple guys, but one guy, I really don't like it. Some of them likened bashing Christianity as picking on the retarded kid. Of course, I told him, when was the last retarded kid you knew fly a plane into World Trade Centers? But here's a quote. "I still don't care. You can be a whiny bitch if you want to, or you can just laugh it off and walk away. Ain't nothing being pushed on you till you let yourself feel the push." So my response to him was, okay, I'm being completely serious here. Hey, that's gonna be annoying. Okay, I'm being completely serious here. You know why I cannot just walk away and people shouldn't just overlook while Christianity takes over? I said that kind of poorly, but whatever. Ban all pornography, thus raising rates of sexual crimes. 2. Replace science in the classroom with creationism, thus bringing down the intelligence level, grade, all that stuff, which was kind of what let the Soviets get ahead of us in the space race. 3. Oppress any group that is not Christian. This already happens. The girl that was kicked out of school for not praying, and we just know there's nothing that'll be good. The various denominations of Christianity will start warring. You can just, the peace-loving people are gonna go crazy when Westboro Baptist people start killing people in the name of their God, you know they're gonna do it. And then abstinence-only programs will be the only thing taught. So STD rates will go up because anal tissue um, ruptures a lot easier than vaginal tissue. But that's another video. I continuously talked to these guys. A lot of them were doing pseudo-intellectual crap, you know, talking about... The other quote that I would like to say that somebody said, he said, nobody has killed for their God, which is kind of creepy. I mentioned the 9/11 hijackers, the Inquisition, the was it the guys who kill abortion doctors, and he said, well, that's just an excuse. They're just killing, you know, they're just killing and using God as a excuse because that's, you know, will get them out of jail. For some reason, that guy's just an idiot. I'm gonna put the links up over there, but just to summarize, I did just stay there, dog. I did an experiment to see how a very offensive post against religion, Christianity, in particular, would react with these people who seem to generally be mixture of atheists and Christians, and Eastern religions. My premise was that I would get some kind of reaction, and that there were more than just myself who went there, you know, who would go to those groups. The results, I got numerous. I've probably got the highest number of replies on my one post than anybody else does in the groups. And the feedback is pretty scary. When other atheists are saying, well, I don't care, you know, they can do what they want, they can take over the country, it's not affecting me. But if the experiment's kind of done, I can't really be an asshole all the time. So if anybody wants to put in their 2 cents, link over there, I think it is. You know, it's cool, it's pointing both ways, so no matter what, I'm right. Ha.